This is the Daily Dog with Elmo and Dazie filling in for Roy, reporting live.
Welcome to the Daily Dog. I'm Top Dog Elmo with breaking news. I'm turning it over to Dazie, who's filling in for Roy. Dazie, what's going on?
Thanks, Elmo. I'm at the Santa Monica Pier, and the weather is getting pretty bad from Hurricane Hilary.
Here I am. Rock you like a hurricane.
Are you singing? This is serious.
You better believe it. The Scorpions are a very serious hard rock band. Okay, enough with the news. That's all, Dazie.
See you tomorrow?